Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business character expression alignment using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a character illustration. I pause because expression defines brand emotion. I duplicate the layer and convert it to a smart object. I activate Puppet Warp. I place pins around the head, neck, and shoulders. I gently tilt the head to improve engagement. I stop and feel the emotion. Business branding should feel welcoming. I add pins to lock the torso. I zoom in and refine edges. I apply the warp and zoom out. The character